starting positions. I'm videoing. So, this is backyard close quarters warfare. You cannot step out of the thing here. I'm going to be using this double shot. Gabby is going to be using the hammer shot. And Jackson, what are you using?
I'm just spectating, guys.
Okay, he's just spectating.
Okay, let me just say something. When someone steps off that wood chips, they're basically dead except for this part right here.
Yeah, except for this part.
And the winner wins.
All right, get to your spot.
Okay.
Guns cocked. Cocked.
My tutor is the parkourist at the ninja course. The ninja core.
All right, you guys ready?
To say something, his name's Jackson, okay?
If you guys can see that. Whatever.
You can see
But
how I'm on this.
all right. Ding 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 gloom. Jesus, that's so close. I got Roger.
Dude, I hate you.
Yes, I noticed.
So we gonna start over or what?
Go F yourself.
Dude, I shot you.
Go F yourself.
Stop the video.
I know. You shot me. I noticed. Well, that was weird. Now we're going to spend time shooting my phone.
Whoa, really?
Yeah. I'm just going to shoot it once.
My game.
I'm going to shoot those.
Big Mama wanna aim. Big Mama wanna aim. Big Mama missed.
You've been shot.
Hey,